Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. The other day I was in LA and I had about 7 hours to kill, so what did I do? I went to my favorite Korean spa called Riviera Health Spa in Torrance. I have stayed there for 11 hours in the past, so 7 hours is nothing. I had great time dipping in different pools and enjoying saunas. I was lounging in the co-ed area and I witnessed a couple's massage in action. This generous husband was giving an upper back massage to his lucky wife, or so it seemed. I never asked them if they were married, so I don't know their real relationship status, but it doesn't matter. It's none of my business. Anyway, what I saw made me think, I want that. So I'm going to show you what I saw and expand on what you can do at home. So the wife was lying face down on the floor on a thin mattress that they provide. I didn't see a pillow and she had her head turned to the side away from her husband. But here I'm putting the pillow by the receiver's chest so he can breathe facing down. The generous husband was simply using his fist to massage the lucky wife's upper back by rocking his body. If you do this at home, first define the area to massage. Find the spine to avoid and find the shoulder blade, and focus on the muscles in this square area between the bones. You will be massaging muscles called trapezius or traps, rhomboids, and some erector spinae. He was just using one hand and totally tilting his body, but what I would do is to put the other hand for the energy connection and better posture so you won't hurt yourself giving a massage. Make a light fist and by using the flat part of the fingers, press the upper back up and down as you rock your body to save your hands. When you go up and down, draw imaginary lines. You can focus by sections, draw zigzags, or make circles on each line. If you want to increase massage time, increase the imaginary lines between the spine and shoulder blade. If the receiver wants more pressure, slow down. Use the finger joints. Put the other hand on the top. Kneel this way. Or this way. So you can use more of your body weight for more pressure. As you can see, the receiver's body is being rocked. If your body has never been rocked this way, I highly recommend experiencing it because it's very relaxing. You can also massage the shoulder blade. Rub over the shoulder blade with the flat part of the fist. There are 4 rotator cuff muscles and you are mainly touching 2 of them, supraspinatus and infraspinatus. There are acupressure points and trigger points on these muscles, so if the receiver has shoulder, arm, and even hand pain, it's a great idea to rub this area, but it may be very sensitive and tender, so start light and don't dig in right away. When you're done with one side, go to the other side and do the same. First, define the area by feeling the spine to avoid and the shoulder blade. Draw imaginary lines and press your light fist by rocking your body by sections, zigzags, or making circles. If the receiver wants more pressure, slow down. Use the finger joints. Put the other hand on the top. Kneel to get higher for more pressure using your body weight. Then, give some love to the muscles on the shoulder blade. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.